Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple and small pixel art picture. I will show you how to draw snowflake. For this picture I take 3 felt pens, violet, sky blue and dark blue. Firstly I take violet felt pen and at the center of the picture I should color 4 boxes like flower, like this. Now I take dark blue felt pen and color this box, this. I should color 8 boxes like this. Now from this box go diagonally down to the left and color 2 boxes horizontally to the left. From this box skip 1 box up and coloring 2 boxes horizontally here. Now from this box go diagonally down and coloring 2 boxes here and 2 boxes here. From this box go diagonally to the right and coloring 2 boxes to the right horizontally. Skip 1 box up and painting 2 boxes horizontally here. And from this box go up diagonally and coloring 2 boxes up. And here 2 boxes up. Now I take violet felt pen. From this blue box go to the left and coloring 3 boxes to the left horizontally. Skip 1 box up and coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. And from this box go up and coloring 2 boxes horizontally here. From this box go down and coloring 3 boxes down. From this box go down and coloring 3 boxes down. And 2 boxes here. From this box go to the right and coloring 3 boxes horizontally to the right. And from this box go to the right and coloring 3 boxes. And from this box go up and coloring 2 boxes horizontally here. From this box go up and coloring 3 boxes up. From this box go up and coloring 3 boxes up. And from this box go to the right and coloring 2 boxes up here. From this box go down and coloring 2 boxes horizontally here. And 2 boxes vertically here. From this box go down and coloring 1 box. From this box go diagonally coloring 1 box. And from this box go diagonally and coloring 2 boxes down. Now from this box go to the right coloring 1 box. Go diagonally to the right coloring 1 box. And go diagonally coloring 1 box. Now continue the same 3 more times here, here and here. Coloring 2 boxes here vertically, 2 boxes here. From this box turning to the right coloring 1 box. Go diagonally coloring 1 box. Go diagonally and coloring 2 boxes horizontally to the right. Now go up coloring 1 box. Go diagonally coloring 1 box and 1 box here. From this box go up and coloring 2 boxes horizontally here and 2 boxes here. From this box go up coloring 1 box. From this box go diagonally to the right coloring 1 box and go diagonally coloring 2 boxes up. From this box, 1 box to the left. Go diagonally down 1 box coloring and 1 more box coloring. And at this corner, 2 boxes horizontally here. 2 boxes here. From this box, go up coloring 1 box. Go diagonally coloring 1 box. Go diagonally coloring 2 boxes up. From this box, turn into the right coloring 1 box. Go down diagonally coloring 1 box. And go diagonally coloring 1 box. Now I take dark blue felt pen and coloring these 2 boxes by blue. Here 2 boxes. These 2 boxes. And these 2 boxes. Now coloring 1 box here, 1 box here, 1 box here, and 1 box here. Now I take sky blue felt pen and coloring 2 boxes here, 2 boxes here, 2 boxes here, and 2 boxes here. 1 box this 1 box, and here 1 box, and this 1 box. And now this 1 box, this 1 box, here 1 box, here 1 box, and at the center 1 box. That's all, my drawing is finished. It's very simple and colorful snowflake. If you love my video and my picture, please give me your likes, subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!